All right, hopefully we don't crash our new truck. Okay, yeah, we're driving a different truck than we've normally been driving. What is this? So, we came across a pretty solid deal. Couldn't pass it up. We are currently driving our first Duramax. Our?
I don't think we've ever had one.
No, your dad's. All right, guys, for real, we're driving the new rig. I don't know what the future holds for it, but there's a big catch. Oh boys. You see the catch? It's wrecked. Now I see the potential. Do you see the potential? I see the potential, right? So get in on that. If you look under there, nothing was hit. You know, it wasn't smashed in a weird way. It's just that front bumper. It needs a new front bumper. The real question is, what should we do? What should be done with it? I mean, it's a perfect truck. Clean. Runs good.
It's got a decent bit of miles on it, but I never had that kind of miles.
Yeah, it has 116,000 miles on it. It's a 2015 Denali. 25. Fully stocked, never touched. Has everything intact. All right, guys. So here's the rough plan. The very, very rough plan. Fender flares, gone. Painted to match. Mirrors, gone. Painted to match. Side steps, gone. I don't know what we're gonna do with the side steps yet. Front end, all redone, obviously. Painted to match everything in the front, as you can see. All this stuff, paint all this. Wheels and tires, up in the air. Performance mods. What do you think we should do performance-wise? And this is a 15, this ain't an L5P. So, performance, a little easier. Doesn't have cab lights though. Need some cab lights. All right, stay tuned for the teardown. Something way different from what we're usually doing. And if you guys caught last video, the single cab is running great. So stay tuned for the teardown on the Duramax here. And if you have any ideas, if you want to see something, comment below. We might just do that because we need some ideas because we're all clueless and we don't know what we're doing. Do you know what you're doing? JB doesn't like it, but it's growing on him. He just said that he'd drive this. At first, he's like, what are we doing with that? That ain't a power stroke. But it's growing on him. It's a cool truck. It rides good. It's a tight truck. It's real tight. What do you think? It's pretty tight. Oh, it's real tight.